Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to keep conversation going on Bumble. Keeping conversation going on Bumble is key to building connection and increasing your chances of successful match. Here are some tips to help you maintain engaging conversation. First is ask open-ended question. Instead of yes/no question, ask questions that require more thoughtful response. For example, instead of did you have a good weekend, ask what was the highlight of your weekend. Second is reference their profile. Look at the other person's profile for interest, hobbies, or photos you can mention. This shows you are interested in them and encourage a more personal conversation. Third is share personal stories. Share relatable stories or experience that can promote them to share their own stories and keep the conversation flowing. You can also use humor. A light-hearted joke or funny comment can break the ice and make a conversation more enjoyable. Just make sure your humor aligns with theirs. Fifth is explore shared interest. Discuss topic you both enjoy. If you shared interest in movies, travel, or hobbies, you can dive deeper on those subjects. Sixth is be genuine. Authenticity goes a long way. Share your thoughts and feelings honestly, which can encourage them to do the same. Another is ensure the conversation is two-sided, encouraging them to share their thoughts while also sharing yours to create a balanced dialogue. If the conversation is going well, suggest a fun activity or topic to explore further. Other notes is be patient. Not every conversation will flow seamlessly. If the other person seems less responsive, don't take it personally. They may be busy or distracted. Know when to move on. If the conversation isn't progressing, it's okay to end it politely and move on to other matches. By following these tips, you can keep conversation lively and engaging on Bumble, helping you build connection and make the most of your experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.